do this if you know you're battling with cough and cold. I'm happy for nature. Listen attentively. We are blessed. We are seriously blessed by nature. And whatever you see me talk about here is tested, trusted. If you know you're battling with cough and cold, please do share this video with your friends, family, relations, because this video could be the best gift you're offering them this year. Nature is wonderful. Nature has blessed humanity. 100%. Nature has blessed humanity. There is nothing you need today that is not within the circumference of nature or any health condition